Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at Excel, which is MS. When you open your computer, you come and search on the search bar MX, and then you get this blank one. But also the options to get it, you come here, is this on the tabs on the window, on the desktop. You see Excel, you tap on it, it opens, and here you see blank workbook, tap on it, and you see this one has the workbook, and the workbook are in sheets. This one you have sheet 1. If you tap on this, you get the next sheet, which is sheet 2. If you continue tapping this plus sign, you continue getting the number of sheets, but most time we use on the first sheet. This is the sheet 1. And then coming here you see the tabs and the ribbons that are used, and they are here. And here you come, this is the formula bar, or when you want to generate a formula to find your workings, you come and type, and they're shown here for corrections. And then you come here, the rows, you see A, B, C, this one are the rows. And then you come this side, you see 1, 2, 3 going horizontally. These one are the columns. The ABC are the columns, and then you come the 1, 2, 3 are the rows. And then where the rows and the column meet is what we call the cells. And we have both active and inactive cells. The active cells are the cells where you're doing your workings, and then the inactive these are the dominant cells where you're not doing your workings. And then you can also have some examples. Okay, the importance of this Excel, it helps to create reports. Like if you're a class teacher, it simplifies work. You can create reports, cards for different students. And then also if you're a businessman, you can use it to tabulate your sales, and you see your profits and losses. So we can find one example. Case in point, you are the class teacher. Here you come and get 0. You come here, you type name of the different students. You put the subjects. Here you get science, SST, and then maths, and the names of the students. Then to make to enlarge the size of the cells, you tap on that, you tap here, and then you drag. You see it increases the number, okay, the size, like the length. And then you type names, Noreen. Come to the next, go to the next, come here, Ivan. Like you have 4 students, science for each, 40, get 30, 45, 87, maths, 89. And then come here, you get the total, and the total average, to get the total, you can use both the formula and the function. And then to get the formula, you can use equal sign. Like if you want to use the function, because these functions are inbuilt. When you want to use the function, you come to sum, open bracket, sum of this, close the bracket, and then enter. You bring your cursor to the bottom, the right bottom here, then you autofill. That one is called autofilling. It's simpler to use it because it won't take time for you to do the same working. And then to get the average, equal sign, average, and then you get the average. Let's do it again. Equal sign, average, up bracket, and then the average for all this. Then you enter, and then you just autofill. So these are samples of our workings that you can use. But if you want to use the formula, you can also go to use formula, and then you use it. It's simple to use it. And then you can also feel like getting the maximum, the highest mark that was attained, maximum. Then you come here, equal sign, max, open bracket, maximum for science, for now we can end here. As we continue, we shall learn.